Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome watch face to check out by SMZ. My man is really doing his thing. He's bringing new flavor to the table, and this watch face is definitely no exception. Now the name of this watch face is called Act Right. Yes, I said it, people. Act right this weekend. Be good no matter what. At least try, right? So looking at this watch face, right? I like the design. I like the layout of this watch face when it's on. But in the AOD mode, you're gonna pretty much get the same look for your Galaxy watch, your Gear Sport, and also your Gears 3. Now for the Gears 2, it's gonna look slightly different, but yet you're still gonna get your time at a glance, which is most important. Now when the watch face is on, I really like this tilt that's going on with this watch face. Add some character and some pizzazz to the watch face. You're going to get your battery percentage, you're going to get your step status info, you're going to get digital time right here, and also you get your heart rate information and your date. So I thought he laid everything out perfectly, but if you watch this little line that's going around the time, that's just seconds, right? I thought that was a nice added touch to the watch face, and you also get animated seconds right here. Now if you want to, double tap and you can change the color of the time, which is pretty nice. You got many to cycle through, and also with the lines for your step status, double tap and you can change those as well. Just go through and let it land on the one that you like. As you can see, I haven't been nowhere this morning, but trust me, we're on our way after the video. And with that being said, you got shortcuts too. Now with this one, I found that you got to tap it precise. You got to tap on the line and it will come up. That one's hard to do, but this one here, if I tap on it, I can bring up my shortcuts, which I love. So if I want it to be calendar, I can have it to be calendar, and then I can single tap and it will come right up. Now it's temperamental, this particular watch face, but you do the same thing right here and you can bring up your shortcuts. So it gives you 3 to choose from, which I thought was definitely a nice touch by the developer. And again, I gave him 2 thumbs up. Tell me what you're gonna give them for this watch face. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.